Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And it's coming like push cannot push the update. You need administrator privilege push update on this device. So first click to start, type run, and then open it. Then type this command net net plwiz and then click to OK. After that guys, how many users exist in your system? You can see I have a guest and administrator. Okay, so if you are using any other one, okay, not a administrator, then you have to add the administrator access on this. Okay, but for this you have to log in the administrator access, then select this user which is you showing here, and then click to property. After that click to group member, and then select the administrator, and then click to apply, and then click to OK. After that you can see your group is also administrator, so you can do via this user. Okay, and if you have to remove the access, then again click to property, then click to group access, and then you can select a standard means basic user. No have any full access of your laptop, haven't changed any setting. Administrator have all access. Okay, then click to OK and apply, and then OK, then restart, and then please check it. Thank you. And if your issue not resolved, so please comment me, I will create another advanced level video. Thank you.